Welcome to meditation session number 8. Before we start, let's do our preparations. Find a position that supports your body and allow your mind to relax. See if there is any more corrections you can do to your position. Then let your body come to a rest. Then say to yourself your intention with this meditation. Very good. Then we are ready. Take a deep breath in. Let go of everything else. Breathe out and relax into a nice and relaxed state. As you start to settle into this meditation, letting your body relax and allowing yourself to let go of the outer world for a moment and directing your focus inside, seeing what's here in this moment. And what's in the experience. Hearing my voice on this meditation and feeling the breath in your body. Observing your breath as it's caressing the inside of your body. As you take in air and breathe out air in a gentle rhythm. Feeling the sensations of sitting or laying down. Feeling the temperature in the air. And feeling the clothes on your body. Just for a little while, tuning into this moment, tuning into your experience, and as you focus and feeling your body, you can let your mind become calm and relaxed. Might still be some thoughts passing, and just gently come back to this moment and be gentle to your thinking mind. Sometimes there might be a lot of thoughts and inner chatter, and that's just what minds do. But for now, you can just allow yourself to let go and just be here in this moment. There's nothing to fix. There's nothing to plan. Nothing to remember in this moment. It's just being here. Experience the sensations in your body. Hearing my voice. Experience any thoughts passing through your mind. And letting yourself become aware of any emotions or feelings. No need to change, understand or fix. Just seeing and observing, allowing your consciousness to see or experience fully, without no need to change. And allowing your observing consciousness to come a little bit closer to the experience, allowing your breath to become a little bit deeper, and allowing every breath to fill you up with new life and new energy. Allowing your breath to reach out into all of your body. Feeling your breath as you see this experience, moment by moment. Breathing, refreshing breaths. Recharging your being. And allowing yourself to land in this loving state of awareness, of just being and accepting your experience. Letting your body come to a rest, your thoughts come to a rest, and your emotions and feelings come to a rest. And you can enjoy the calmness of just being. Gently, gently begin to come back again. As you slowly come back more and more, be aware of the sensations in your body. How does it feel to be here and now? And before you rejoin your day, take a few deep breaths and fill yourself up with gratitude and thankfulness for that you have taken this time to recharge and energize yourself. When you are energized and refreshed, this gives positive vibrations to your relationships and to your life. And now come back and be aware of your surroundings again. And get ready to continue your day refreshed, focused, and relaxed.